Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to contact AliExpress customer service for help with your orders, disputes or any other issues. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your AliExpress app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then on your main screen or dashboard, you can see an account on bottom right corner. Tap on it. And now on your screen, you can see Help Center just below the coin section in the middle right here. Tap on it. And this will open your Help Center. Here you can see popular solutions like track partial, return goods, refund process, find order and account, app suggestions, suspicious activity report. If you have any of these problems, just tap on it and find your answer. And just below popular solutions, there are topics too, like shipment, refund and etc. If you tap on view more, it will open a list of questions that could be your problem. And if you tap on any of questions, it will provide you a step-by-step process to how to resolve your problem. Let's head back to the Help Center again. And in case if any of this solution doesn't work for you, just scroll down. There you can see online service. Tap on it. This will open Eva section, that is AliExpress virtual assistant. Just type your question into the chat and send it to Eva. If the chatbot doesn't resolve your issue, ask for human agent to continue with a real customer service representative. And that's how you can contact AliExpress customer service. Whether you use the Help Center or chat with the agent, they are there to assist you with your concerns. And here's a bonus tip too. When contacting support, make sure to explain your issue clearly and provide any necessary order details like your order number to speed up the process and etc. And that's it. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next one.